So in this video I am going to review Treebit X-Free Go wireless headphones. Will also share my experience and initial impression how it performs. Before I start with it, let's look at the written specification. So here are the key specifications, and it's made in China. You can purchase it from Amazon for 2,499 with some offers and discount. That price can also be reduced, so let's keep it aside. Now let's check package content, which includes micro USB cable, which seems to be a bit disappointment, but in this price range I rarely see any brand which offers type C support, so it's fine to have micro USB cable with it. We also get this USB cable, this aux cable, which is gold plated and long enough to stay connected. I really like this cable, and the quality of cable is so good. So let's keep them aside. And it also includes user manual, which contains basic details and which comes with different languages, and basic details like product diaphragm, how to turn on and off, how to connect, and it supports two devices. You can connect with two devices simultaneously. So that's all we get in this manual, and it is a must read before using. So we also get this thank you leaflet, and herein you'll get the details like support email and toll-free number, and wherein Treebit claimed that 30-day money-back guarantee, 18 months replacement warranty, and lifetime support guarantee is there with this headphone. So after this, we also get carrying case, which makes it easier to carry your headphones when not in use or while traveling. So that's all we get as a package content. Now coming to the main unit, which is highlight of this review, and they are treat to use. They are exceptionally remarkable, and I have used them for a while, which ticks all the boxes when it comes to overall performance. Surprised to hear how astonishing and how mind-boggling they are, and I rarely and usually expect any headphones to be that good, but it does under the range of 3000. And now let's talk about the specs in detail. So it comes with the Bluetooth version 5.0. It also supports noise cancellation 8.0, and which can eliminate 75% of sound. In my case, yes, it is somewhere around that. And it comes with 40mm driver unit, which delivers crisp and clear sound, and which is exceptional. So let's come to mic quality and call experience. So I did not face any issue while taking calls. Another user can be heard easily and can hear us without any issue. And coming to connectivity, which is easy and seamless. Audio video syncs within 16 meters, stay connected, and easily switches between two Bluetooth devices at a time. So beyond the range, it distorts and it produces screechy sound. So within 16 meters it is fine, and beyond that range it can be a bit trouble for the user. So however, I have not tested battery life, but Treebit claimed it for 24 hours, so it is somewhere. I have used them for around 3 days, and still battery is left for around 80%. So I never expected from these headphones to be that good in terms of battery as well. So, and it takes 3 hours to get fully charged, but it supports USB fast charging. So if you are in a hurry, a 10-minute USB quick charge will breathe 4 hours life into the headphones. I wore them around hours, so trust me, they are comfortable and easily adjustable as desired head size. When it comes to build quality, especially, it stands out. Within the range of 3000, even plastic build feels so sturdy and strong in hand. Entire body constructed with metal and plastic, especially head part, which covered with cushion padding. So here are this cushion padding, and with memory protein over ear cushions, and these ear cups sits really well. And CNET also calls it best over ear headphones for 2021. So the Bluetooth headphone adopt Qualcomm chipset, which keeps the headphone low power consumption. Finally, coming to sound quality, here I have to say that as they advertised, it is stereo and balanced hi-fi sound. The striking feature is matched with exhilarating sound, which is detailed, tonally balanced, and blessed with a large dose of rhythmic precision. And noise isolation pads can block out most ambient noise and allow you to better enjoy the music. Unmatched and brilliant performance. Vocals are clear with perfect mids and lows, but in terms of highs, they disappoint you a bit. Bass is balanced, not overpowering, lacks in loudness. Coming to treble, that is perfect and does its job. Have tried with my phone, but literally failed to get the output which I expect. But even loud music ruins the experience. But Treebit ensure that these headphones to be performance oriented, rather products which offer bass but lacks balanced sound. They can get pretty loud, but ears will get tired either. So product has no major con, but the brand should be credible. Packaging is a sort of unusual thing and can't be expected this from Treebit. No proper strip, it lacks loudness, and bass is not that hard. Verdict: if you're searching headphones with balanced sound and bass which deliver crystal clear vocal, then trust me, this video will not disappoint you. Thanks, please support.